Today, I'll walk you through how to connect DevOps to Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two powerful tools so you can visualize your DevOps data effectively. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Think of it as your workshop where you'll be building insightful reports. Next, from the Home ribbon, click on Get Data. This is where you'll initiate the connection to your data sources. It's similar to opening a toolbox to find the right tool for the job. In this case, the tool is your data. Now in the search bar that appears, type DevOps. This will help you quickly locate the relevant options. You should see Azure DevOps and Azure DevOps Server listed. Choose the one that matches your organization's setup. It's like selecting the right vehicle for your journey. You want to ensure it fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, a connection settings window will appear. Here, you'll need to fill out all the necessary information. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The essential fields will be similar. After entering the required details, click Next. This step is crucial as it establishes the bridge between Power BI and your DevOps data. Once the connection is done, it'll be good to go. You'll be able to pull in your DevOps metrics and visualize them in Power BI, transforming raw data into actionable insights. This integration is like having a GPS for your data journey. It guides you through the complexities of your project metrics. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.